Okay, let's do a single seed challenge 2021 update and see what it looks like. So the single seed challenge is back here. It's in this pot. It's next to the graveyard garden that I call the graveyard garden. And so here it is. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Okay, so here it is. This is the Corona bean. That there's actually a story behind this bean, and I actually got it to germinate. I actually got three of them to germinate, and actually, Scott Head personally sent me these Corona beans for me to try out and see if I could germinate them and grow them, because he had mentioned in one of his lives that I happened to be assisting that he's always wanted to grow them, but I guess he was never successful at it. So he passed it on to me, and he said he would send it to me for me to try it. So Scott, here it is, the Corona bean. I mean, this is a small, it's actually got it's got 3 pods in it, but it is small because I didn't fertilize this pot at all. This is just straight compost from 2 years ago. I threw it in here, but I actually germinated 3. So let me go show you the other ones. Actually, I'm not going to count this one as a single seed challenge. And the reason why is because the other ones are doing much better. And Scott, I did see your single seed challenge update. And you admitted to cheating as well. So since you can cheat, Scott, well, so can I. So let's go have a look at the other ones that are doing much better. See, Scott, it's not worth the cheating, because then I get to cheat too. Okay, so here's the other 2. Like I told you guys, I only got, out of all the beans, the package that Scott sent me, I only got 3 of them to germinate. And you see, these are doing a lot better right here. They're doing a lot better because these are in actually a raised bed that has been fertilized. And the soil is much better than what's in that pot. So you can see, the difference is they got flowers on them and they have produced. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is basically the Corona bean right there. So, and you got tiny little ones coming on here. See, a whole bunch of little tiny ones. So Scott, I can honestly tell you that germination was difficult. I don't know why I could only get 3 to germinate. I don't know if this seed package you did mention that you had it for quite a while. It might have been a little too old. I don't know that, but could be one of the reasons. But nonetheless, I'm going to have success at the 2021 Scott Head Single Seed Challenge, which I'm excited about. So, and yeah, officially now, this one here is the single seed challenge one, not the one in the pot. Okay, Scott? And Scott, I hope you ain't got nothing to say about this, because you cheated too. I'm watching you. Okay, there you guys go. You got to see the single seed challenge of 2021, where I successfully grew the Corona bean sent to me by Scott Head. Thank you, Scott. You're a witness. If you watch this video, you're witness to it, that I actually succeeded. And guys, that's about going to do it. The single seed challenge, if you guys are not familiar with it, it's created by Black Gumbo, Scott Head. And I will leave a link in the description box below to the video where he can explain everything better than I can. If you guys are interested in this single seed challenge of 2021, from my understanding, it is not too late to join. As a matter of fact, my whole YouTube channel, Will It Grow, started last year in 2020 just because of the single seed challenge. It was interesting, but here we are a year later, and I'm doing it again, and I'm succeeding. So I'm excited. So guys, if you're interested in that, check out that video that I will link down below. If you can't see it, click that show more, it'll be there. And while you're there watching, you know, support Scott. He's a great gardener. And if you like this stuff, if you like my channel, if you're new to the channel, please, you can click that subscribe button down there as well and support my channel. Till next time, you guys stay safe. Just one more thing, guys, before I go. I've been warned numerous times through emails, through text messages, for what it is I just did here is, I keep telling my viewers and directing them to another gardening channel, and they always say is, John, don't do it, it's going to hurt your channel. Your audience is your audience, don't guide them away from your channel. Truth is, guys, Will It Grow, my channel, is about teaching people how to grow food, and me guiding, and you guys that follow me on a consistent basis know that I do the gardening, but I also give a lot of shout outs to different YouTube gardeners that have channels, and they're great channels and great gardeners. And I'm a creator of Shed Wars. I'm one of 3 creators of Shed Wars, and Shed Wars is about teaching people how to grow food. That's what my channel is all about too, is teaching people how to grow food. Like I said before, I started this channel last year because of the single seed challenge, and once I got it going and it started picking up a little bit of steam, I told my wife, I says, I'm going to keep this going because I have the knowledge to grow my own food. I do. You guys, my garden is an attest to it that I do. But my mission is to teach the world and anyone that wants to watch how to grow their own food. So by me saying, hey, go check out, Scott Head, go check his channel out, I don't care, because there's a lot of things Scott Head can teach you that I can't, or maybe I can, but he does it different because he lives in Texas and redneck country and all that. I live in Yankeeville. I'm in Massachusetts. So I don't care about shouting out other gardening channels and guiding my audience towards another, YouTube channel. I don't care about that. Right now, the only reason why Will It Grow is going is because of the mission of teaching people how to grow. But most importantly, this is all a video vlog for my grandchildren. When I am dead, I want my grandchildren, however many there may be. My mother has, I think, 42 grandchildren and 12 great-grandchildren and 2 great-great-grandchildren. However many grandchildren I have when I'm dead, hey, how did my grandpa do it? That's the purpose. All right, that was, I just wanted to clarify that. And yes, if you guys are interested, Scott Head, go check out his channel. He is a great guy. Till next time, you guys stay safe. Hey, Scott. Phoebe, Bella has a message for you. Hey, Bella. Hello, little lady. Yeah. She's relaxing under a tree. Hello, little lady. See, that's Bella. Hi. Do you have a message for Phoebe? Not Phoebe, Phoebe. Do you have a message? What's that? Really? Okay, I'll tell her. Phoebe, Bella right here just told me to tell you that she is the queen corgi of all YouTube gardening channels. That's what she said.